Right, okay, so what are we doing now?
We are going to replace the driver's side rear light unit due to the broken corner section of the line.
Okay.
We've got a replacement from the good old eBay.
Yeah, how much did you pay for that?
£35.
Not bad.
Just a slight little bit of a damage there, but once that's fitted, you're not really going to notice it.
Yeah, you ain't going to notice that at all.
So yeah.
That's not bad. 35 quid off eBay. Absolute bargain.
So I've got to get the rear boot panel out.
On that.
So I'm just going to find the clips. I do have a trim clip kit somewhere, but I don't know where it is at the moment, so I'm just going to flick these out with a screwdriver, just so we can remove the panel. And then once we've got the panel out, we can gain access to light fixings.
Yeah, easy.
I think next thing on my list will be also to get some new clips, because some of these are missing.
Just to remember which ones.
The small ones.
Yeah.
Just get them. They're just little push fit.
Oh, that's all right.
Pop clips. That's out. That's out. That's out. That's out. Big one there, I believe. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, maybe not. Right. What are we stuck on? We're stuck on the carpet. Nope, we've got one more clip I didn't see. Hidey, hidey. Hidey ho. With that.
Okay, this should come out nice and
Panel
easy.
comes out. Remove the clip for the boot light.
Happy days, so it's all done clips, as you can see.
So now we've just got to remove this cover here, which is pretty much exactly the same.
Yep, as you can see, all the clips over here as well.
Yep, so we're just.
And you're going to do the carpet one there.
Don't need to pop the carpet out. Carpet can stay in situ. I think we're good. Poppity pop. Forward now. Yes.
Should come out.
He says.
Yeah. Alright, okay, nice and easy.
So we have 1, 2, 3 nuts. Screwdriver down. Because they are longer threads, I am just going to use a Vortex socket set, which has a hollow socket. It's 10mm. We're doing
Ours about 8.
10. Grab the right wrench.
Nice.
So the thread goes right up in the middle.
Yes, happy days.
Put it on. Undo. Gonna give this boot a good scrub, I think, at some point.
Yeah.
Always put your fixings where you can find them.
Yep.
There's nothing worse.
And losing all the bolts that you need.
Yep. It's got a set of parking sensors, but the parking sensors don't work. But now I know where the control module is. Let's see if I can get a second-hand control module.
Yeah.
Bit of a messy wiring job, to be honest. But yeah, we can see we can get a second-hand control module and get the parking sensors working. Right. On the video, purple on the first one, green on the second one, black and yellow on the third connector, okay?
Yep.
Remember that?
Purple, green and black and yellow.
Black and yellow, black and yellow. So before we do that, let's just take a photograph. Because you know what will happen. Hopefully, they will not be a problem, but
just in case.
When in doubt, nice.
Yep. How long did your video thing last for, Barry?
4 hours.
Alright, good.
Right.
I think the battery's going on a dude.
Is it binging?
Yeah.
Okay. Might be because I didn't charge it, which make it quick, won't need to. Am I missing another fixing? I don't think I'm missing another fixing. What's stopping it?
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
There you are.
So 1 unit out.
Yep. That's fine, still fine.
Gasket's dirty, but that one's just spin.
Right, need
Need a bit of rag.
glass cleaner. Yeah, why not?
If they're still wet, which they are.
Yep.
Why not? Just clean up some of the stuff before we put it back in. Doesn't need to be perfect.
As long as it's clean enough.
I will take it out again at some point, and
Yeah.
that's the bumper bracket that's hanging loose. I'm going to have to look at that when I take the bumper off. I will take the bumper off. These are notoriously for corroding.
Yeah.
They're notorious for corroding on the back. So it's just as simple as doing everything in reverse.
Yep.
1 light unit. One, 2, and 3. Switch directions. Okay.
Red, green, black and yellow.
And yeah, could have got rid of the dead spiders out of it, but that can be another job.
Yeah, for another day. Right, do you want to get in and turn it on and start it? And
Let's just see if all the lights work.
yep.
So, do we have brake lights?
Yes.
Yep. Do I have right indicator?
Yes.
Do I have fog light?
Yes. And we are all fully working.
Fantastic.
There you are. Another job done. Easy.
Right. Push button on top.